Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off dark mode on your Google Docs. So without wasting your time, let's get started. You can see I have enabled dark mode in my Google Docs, and this is only just done by a Google Chrome, and the Google Chrome name is Google Docs dark theme. When you click on this, and from here you can add to Google Chrome, and as I have already added this to Google Chrome, so I will just open it, and here this icon will appear here, and from here will if you click, and dark mode is turned off. But if I want to again turn it on, then again click on it and you can see dark mode is enabled. So guys, in this way you can turn off dark mode on your Google Docs. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.